morning, guys. It's Thursday morning. I think it's around 6:20 a.m. and I'm just getting ready to do some cleaning. Well, I only have about half an hour before I have to go downstairs, so I thought I usually like to get my bedroom deep cleaned, and especially now because it's a couple days before Christmas, so I do want to have my house deep clean as best as I can. So I thought I'd take you along. Yesterday's video, I don't know how long it's gonna be because I had all these intentions to do all these things after the kids went home, and I did not feel good. I don't know what it was. It was whether it was a touch of flu and it just went through me, or what it was. I had a headache, my stomach wasn't right, so I kind of just ate dinner, and my daughter had dance, so I took her to it, and then came home and I crashed. I think I was in bed by 8:30. So didn't have any ending to my video or anything like that, but I do share a really good recipe if you want to check out the video. So anyhow, today I thought I'd show you a bit of how I deep clean my upstairs. I will be so I try and clean the upstairs on Thursdays. It's not a smooth cleaning where I start and I clean because I work. So I try to clean at least my bedroom before my morning starts, and then while the kids sleep, I clean the 2 bathrooms and a laundry room. And then at the end of the day, I try to vacuum and wash the floors. Usually I get some help along the way with vacuuming and washing the floor, but we'll see how the day goes. Don't know what my schedule for my husband is today like, so how much he's going to be able to actually help me. So come along.
Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. Christmas in my heart, and I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset, it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart.
So I just got a gift, and I'm gonna open it and show you what it is, and then after that I'm going to pack up my cookies for all the parents, and I'll take you along for that. Ooh, I like. It's a tea press travel kit. It comes with 1 tea press and 6 tea single portion. Huh? Tacky.
Very nice. Cool.
Ooh. So I got sleigh ride. the Zest Wishes, which is really good. Candy Cane Crush is pretty good. So I've got 2 of each. Actually, oh, there it is. Okay. Nice. Oh, so it works like my iced tea press. Cool. Very cool. Yeah. So for the cookie presents, I am packing them in these tins that I picked up at the Dollar Tree, and you need parchment paper, some stickers, and a pair of scissors.
Hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sanctuary. Doesn't matter, it is Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Dance, dance, now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long.
So here are all the cookies packed up. Now I'm going to close it up and show you how it looks. So here it is. The stickers aren't very good. They don't really want to stick, but it's more of a decorative than anything else. Close it up, and I'll probably just put a little bit of tape on here so they don't spill. So I'm going to do all the rest of them now. So these are all done, all packed up. And I'm gonna put them out. These are going to all the daycare parents, along with the gifts. I have actually picked up some more stuff to put into their gifts. If you haven't seen some of the stuff that I'm putting in their gifts, it's in my $10 gift ideas from Dollar Tree video. I'm gonna try and remember to link it. If not, it's in my Vlogmas playlist. So I'll just grab the stuff so I can show you what else I'm adding. So I picked these up at Dollarama. They are the foam sea animals, and I also picked up this cute little moose to stick in there. So each of the kids are getting this stuff. So I'm just taking some of these cookies down that I got left over, and I'm going to pick up a craft kit for them to do. We're upstairs again because I have 3 kids. Been an easy week today. Whoop. There we go. And I think we are going to do the Christmas trees. Maybe we'll do 2. Let's see what I have here. Maybe we'll do 2. We'll do Christmas trees. Yes. So I'm almost down to all of them being gone. Yeah, maybe we'll do 3. There. 3 kids, because they're pretty simple. So I'll get them to do them. I need some... What did I do with my other glue? Oh, there it is. I'll take... Oh, these are empty. There. And glue and a bowl for glue, and I need some glue sticks, popsicle sticks for glue. Ooh, that was a nice view of me in the dark. All right, so that's what I'm gonna be doing now.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing? In Christmas times, we'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sun said it is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. Here we go. All right. Now this Christmas, we're gonna dance. We're gonna dance, 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 come on. Dance. We're gonna dance, dance, have a good time. Dance, dance, all night long. We're gonna dance, dance, and have a good time. I think Santa's gonna come and join us in this song. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my
So for dinner, we put together a meatloaf, and all I did was season with salt and pepper, and then I added my homemade seasoning mix of that I make. It's the onion soup mix. We also added the breadcrumbs and 2 eggs. Well, it's at the end of the night. I'm just getting ready to go to bed. I had a shower, went to the meeting, and now I'm gonna get ready to go to bed. I think it's 10:30. Yeah, 10:30. So read my book. I'll show you what I'm reading this month. Well, this week. I don't know how long I'm gonna read it, but so it's the new book club book. So I will see you guys tomorrow.